You were the greatest, most incredible man I have ever known. I never believed much in destiny or fate until it led me to you. You show me that every piece doesn't have to be perfectly in place to create something beautiful. You love me the way I am and always be there to support me to achieve my goals.
I'm so proud that today I become your husband. I will love you through good and the bad, through joy and the sorrow. I will try to be understanding and to trust in you completely. Our relationship is full of more love and support than I could ever ask for. I have never been more adored or felt more safe, and the trust that we have built, that we have worked so hard to protect, is invaluable.
I vow to always support your dreams, even if they scare the crap out of me. I will always encourage you to be a better man, to reach your goal, and to live your life in a way that will make ourselves proud for who we are. I believe that I will always love you.